Good morning, students. In the previous classes we had studied about the fertility rates and the reproduction rate. So today we will be studying the new topic, it is mortality. So mortality, it refers to, so we are studying about the new topic, mortality. So mortality refers to death occurring in the population. So death can be because of many reasons such as sickness, old age, or accidents, or floods, earthquake. So because of this death occurs, so if we are studying regarding the death, we call it as mortality. So there are many measures of mortality. How do we measure the mortality rate? So in that we have 6 topics. The first one is crude death rate. So it is CDR, crude death rate, CDR. Then age specific fertility rate, age specific death rate, ASDR. Standardized death rate, STDR. This is the third type of death rate or the mortality rate, standardized death rate or STDR. Then next, infant mortality rate, I'll write it as MR. So infant mortality rate is denoted by IMR. The next one, neonatal mortality rate, NMR. And the last one, maternal mortality rate, MMR. So there are 6 types of measurement of mortality by which the mortality can be measured. First one is crude death rate, CDR. Next, age specific death rate, ASDR. Standardized death rate, STDR. Infant mortality rate, IMR. Neonatal mortality rate, NMR. And maternal mortality rate, MMR. So this crude death rate, age specific death rate, it is similar to what you have studied in the fertility rates. So in the crude death rate, it was, in the fertility rate we have studied about crude birth rate. So there we were studying regarding the birth. Here the only difference is we are studying regarding the death. And in the fertility rates we had studied about age specific fertility rate, and now we are studying regarding age specific death rate. So first we'll study regarding the CDR. So before studying CDR, what was CBR? It is the average number of birth occurring to 1000 individuals in a year. So similarly, in place of birth, now we'll be taking it as death. So it is average number of death occurring to 1000 individuals or 1000 people in a year. So this is the simplest method among all the mortality rates. So CDR is average number of death occurring to 1000 individuals. When you write in terms of formula, it is number of death in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000. So in the crude birth rate problems, if you remember, the average population, I said there, it was the population in the beginning plus population in the middle divided by 2. The same thing is assumed when we are doing the death rate also. So it is average population, so which is the population in the beginning of the year plus population at the end of the year divided by 2. So this is the formula regarding CDR. So in terms of symbol, the same thing can be written as D divided by P into 1000. So among the two formulas, you can write anything, either the statement one, so that is number of deaths in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000, or in terms of formula D divided by P into 1000. Under the merits of the crude death rate, it is simple and easy to calculate, so we doesn't need any extra information. If we have the death and the population, it is enough. We can calculate the crude death rate. It indicates the rate of decrease in the population, to what extent the population is decreased due to death. It indicates that, and under the demerits of the crude death rate, so here each age wise, and if we consider about the sex composition of the population, the death rate will not be same for each age group and the sex composition, but we are not considering that a point while doing crude death rate. So we are generally doing it for all age group, and we are considering both male and female population. We are not considering any of the sex in that. So that is the demerit of the crude death rate, and even we cannot compare what is the death rate among the two different populations. So if we have to compare, we have to use some other method. By using the crude death rate, the comparison of the death among the different population is not possible. So this is regarding the crude death rate. So now we'll be doing some problems based on this. So problems based on the crude death rate, you'll be having only 2 marks problems. You doesn't have any 5-mark questions based on the crude death rate. And the measurement of mortality, it can be asked in 2 marks. Name any 2 measures of mortality. So among the 6, you have to answer any 2. So if it is asked in 1 mark, write any 1, and if it is asked in 2 marks, you have to mention any 2 mortality rates. Now we are doing with the 2 marks problems of the crude death rate. So I have written 2 questions, we'll do it simultaneously. So if you see about the first question, it is in the year the average population of your town was 65,51,000. So population value, so first we have to write given. So given P is 65,51,000, and the number of deaths occurred in that year in the town was 61,931. So D value is 61,931. So this is what they have given. So population value, population is denoted by P. It is 65,51,000, and the death value is denoted by D, 61,931. Then they have asked to find the crude death rate. So write the formula of CDR. It is D divided by P into 1000. So D value is 61,931 divided by 65,51,000 into 1000. So use the calculator, divide and find out the value. So we'll get it as 9.5. So you can comment based on this. So there will be 9.5 death per 1000 individuals. There is no marks for the comment. So you can just write the answer, because it is 2 marks, 1 mark for the formula and 1 mark for the answer. If you know the comment, then you can write it. So it is 9.5 death per 1000 individuals. So next we'll be doing with the second problem. The population of your town was 1,60,000. So what is P value in this? 1,60,000. So given is P equals 1,60,000. There were 800 deaths in the year. So death is 800. Find the crude birth rate. So we'll use the formula now. CDR equals D divided by P into 1000. So I've used the formula regarding the symbols. If you want, you can write it in the statement also. Number of deaths in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000. So remembering in terms of symbol is easier, so I am using that one. So it is 800 divided by 1,60,000 into 1000. So simplify this. So it is 80 divided by 16. It is 5. So there were, so 80 divided by 16 is 5. So we'll get the answer as 5. So 5 deaths per 1000 individuals. So this is the next method of the crude death rate problems, where the population value and the CDR value is specified and we have to find out regarding the number of death. So what is the first problem? In a year, the CDR for a population of 3 lakh. So what is P value? So first we'll write regarding given. So given P equals 3 lakh. And CDR value is 8, and since CDR value is asked, and in this they have asked find the number of death, since CDR value is given, we'll write the formula regarding CDR. It is D divided by P into 1000. We'll substitute in this the value. So CDR value is 8 equals, death value is not given, so we are finding out death itself. So D divided by population value is 3 lakh into 1000. So we can cancel this 1000 and 1000, then just cross multiply this 8 into 300. So D value is 8 into 300, will get 2400. So there will be 2400 number of death. Similarly, we'll do about the next problem. It is the population of a place was 1,80,000. So what is P value in this? 1,80,000, and CDR is 15. So again use the formula of CDR and substitute in that. So CDR is D divided by P into 1000. So I'll substitute in this. So CDR value is 15. 15 equals D as it is we have to write, because we are finding out number of death. Population value is 1,80,000 into 1000. Again 1000 and 1000 you can cancel, you'll be remaining 180 and 15. So you'll cross multiply that. So 15 into 180. So it is 2700. So number of death is 2700. Okay, this is the next method of the crude death rate. The first few problems what we had done, it was regarding the statement, and now it is given in terms of table form. And I have mentioned calculate CDR for the following data. Age group is given, population and death value is given. So age group, it doesn't matter it, whatever age group, will be calculating on the whole what is the crude death rate. So we need the total of the population and the total of the number of death. So population, what it is given, we assume it to be the average population. So add the population values, will get 98,000. Then add the death values. So it is 1,120 and 98,000. Then substitute in the formula CDR equals D divided by P into 1000. So D value is 1,120 divided by 98,000 into 1000. So you are adding the death value, you are adding the population value, and then dividing it. So you can cancel in this 1000 and 1000. So it is 1,120 divided by 98. So we'll get 11.43. So 11.43 death per 1,000 individuals. So similarly we'll do regarding the next problem. Again it is in terms of the table form. Age group is given, population and death. So now first we'll add the population and the death values. So total of the population and the death values. Add the population 40,000, 80,000, 60,000 and 20,000. We'll get it as 2 lakh. Similarly add the death 600, 720, 660 plus 620. It is 2,600. So population total is 2 lakh and the death total is 2,600. Then you have to write the formula of CDR and substitute in that. So CDR formula is death divided by population into 1,000. So death value is 2,600 and the population value is 2 lakh. Again in this, the population value what it is given, we assume it to be the average population. So you can cancel 1,000 and 1,000 and here 2 zeros and zeros will get cancelled. So 26 divided by 2 will get 13. So there will be 13 death per 1,000 individuals. So till now we have studied regarding the crude death rate. In the crude death rate, we were not considering the age group. So if in the age group 0 to 5, there will be more number of death, and if it is more than 60 years, even there the death rate will be quite high. So we are leaving out that and we are studying it. And if it is between the age group 25 to 40, the death rate is less when compared to the 0 to 5 and more than 60. Because of that demerit, we will be studying age specific death rate. So ASDR, age specific death rate. So here name itself specify, we are studying the death rate for each age group. So it is defined as the average number of death occurring, to 1,000 individuals in a specific age group. So here we are considering the age group in a specific age group. So whatever age group is given for that particular age group. So it can be for 0 to 5, 5 to 10 or any other age groups. So specific age group in a year. So I'll repeat it once again. So age specific death rate is the average number of death occurring to 1,000 individuals in a specific age group in a year. So we can write this in the form of formula. So ASDR equals number of death in a specific age group in a year, specific age group in a year divided by average population in a specific age group. So I have written it as SAG, specific age group in a year, into 1,000. So this can be written in terms of symbol as DT. So death at time period T divided by population at time period T into 1,000. So ASDR equals DT divided by PT into 1,000. So under the merits of the age specific death rate, so here the age composition of the population is considered, And the next point is, if you have to compare within the population for different age groups, what is the death rate that can be done? So comparison within the age group is possible. Within the population is possible. And here it is used in calculation of standardized death rate. It is used in the net reproduction rates and life tables. What is life tables? We'll be studying it later on, and the standardized death rate we'll study next. So these are the merits of the age specific death rate, where we are considering the age composition, comparison within the population, that is for different age groups, what is the death rate can be done in. So it is used in the calculation of standardized death rate, net reproduction rate and life tables. Under the demerits of the age specific death rate, under the demerits of age specific death rate, you cannot compare the death rate among the two different population. So because the age group it might differ, so because of that we cannot compare among the two or more different population what is the death rate. That cannot be studied using the age specific death rate, and even it doesn't consider the social and occupational factors. So maybe based on the area or based on the occupation, some occupation where the death rate will be high, we doesn't consider that. We assume for every person it is the same death rate, but that is not there in actual life. So it is ignoring the social and occupational factors, and we cannot compare the death rate among two different populations. We can compare only when it is within the same population and not for two or more populations. Okay, now we'll start with the problems based on the age specific death rate. So the first question is find the age specific death rate. So I've written two questions. It is two different methods. In both the problems we are finding out age specific death rate, but here in the first question I have not specified for which age group you have to do it, but in the second question I have specified for which age group you will be finding out the age specific death rate. First we'll start with the first problem. So before doing the problem we have to write the ASDR formula. So it is dt divided by pt into 1000. And we have to show one step calculation. So I'll show it for the age group 0 to 9. So for the age group 0 to 9, the death is 1000 divided by the population is 20,000 into 1000. So when you simplify this, we'll get it as 50. So ASDR we have to make one column and write the first value as 50. Next we'll do it for the next age group. It is 500 divided by 15,000 into 1000. We'll get 33.3. After decimal if you want you can take one number, two numbers, but don't take more than two numbers. So here I have taken only one number. Next 200 divided by 10,000 into 1000. It is 20, then 100 divided by 8,000 into 1000, 12.5. Next 120 divided by 8,000 into 1000, 15. 150 divided by 7,000 into 1000, 21.4. And the last one, 1,200 divided by 18,000 into 1000, 66.6. So this is regarding the first problem where we have done age specific death rate for all the age groups. So in the second problem, I had said it first itself that we are doing it only for two particular age groups. It is 15 to 25 and 25 to 40. So before that we have to write the formula of ASDR. It is DT divided by PT into 1000. So first age group we are finding out, it is 15 to 25. Under 15 to 25, see what is the death and the population. So for 15 to 25, death is 600 and population is 30,000. So substitute and simplify. So it is 600 divided by 30,000 into 1000. So you can cancel the 0 terms. Will be remaining with 60 divided by 3. So 60 divided by 3 is 20. Similarly for the second age group, it is 25 to 40. So under 25 to 40, death is 400 and the population is 28,000. So it is 400 divided by 28,000 into 1000 will get 14.2. Okay, now we'll be doing with the next problem where I've combined both the methods, crude death rate and the age specific death rate. So first problem, compute crude death rate and age specific death rate. So in the age specific death rate, I have not specified for which age group we have to do it. That means we have to do it for all the age group. So before that, we'll find out crude death rate. For that, what is the first step? We need the total of the population and the total of the death. So add the population values and the death values. So when you add this, you'll get, so 1,20,000 and the death values will add. So first we'll get here 0, then 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. So 1 carry up will get 5 plus 1 carry up 6, plus 2 8, plus 2 10, plus 6 16. So 6, again 1 carry up. So here 1 plus 1 2, plus 1 carry up, it is 3. So 3,640. So write the formula of CDR. It is D divided by P into 1000. So D value is 3,640 and the population value is 1,20,000 into 1000. So simplify this. You can cancel the 0 terms and this one you can simplify it using the 4 table. So it is 4 3s and 4 91s. So we'll get it as 91 divided by 3. So 91 divided by 3 is, so it is 30.33. So CDR value is 30.33. The next one is ASDR. So before calculating ASDR, we have to write the formula of ASDR. It is DT divided by PT and into 1000. And whenever you do ASDR or if you are doing regarding WSFR or ASFR, it is compulsory to show one-step calculation. So we'll show one-step calculation about the first age group under 10, or we can write it as less than 10. So it is 600 divided by 20,000 into 1000. So you can cancel this 1000 and 1000, 0 and 0. So we'll be remaining with 60 divided by 2. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. So make the next column as ASDR and in that first value it is 30. So this is regarding the first age group under 10. So next we'll do it regarding the next age group. So it is 240 divided by 10,000 into 1000. It is 24. Next 1,250 divided by 50,000 into 1000. It is 25. Next 1,050 divided by 30,000 into 1000. will get 35, and the last one 500 divided by 10,000 into 1000, it is 50. So this was regarding the first problem where we have done the crude death rate and the age specific death rate. The second question also it is the same type. So calculate CDR and ASDR. So for CDR, we need the total of the population and the total of the death. So we'll add the population values, we'll get it as 60,000. Then we'll add the death values. So when we add the death values, we'll get it as 1800. Then substitute in CDR formula. So CDR formula is D divided by P into 1000. So D value death is 1800 and the population is 60,000 into 1000. So you can cancel this zeros. So we'll be remaining with 180 divided by 6. So 180 divided by 6 is 30. Next ASDR, for that one step calculation is needed. Before that, write the formula of ASDR. It is DT divided by PT into 1000. So one step calculation will show it regarding the age group 0 to 10. So it is 560 divided by 14,000 into 1000. So ASDR for the age group 0 to 10, 560 divided by 14,000 into 1000. So cancel the 0 terms, you will get it as 560 divided by 14, it is 40. So make the next column as ASDR, in that mention the value of ASDR first age group, it is 40. For the second age group, it is 160 divided by 16,000 into 1000, will get 10. Next one, 391 divided by 17,000 into 1000, it is 23. And the next one, 689 divided by 13,000 into 1000, 53. So those are the values of ASDR. It is 40, 10, 23 and 53. So and CDR value is 30. Students, take these two problems as an assignment because ASDR problems, the continuation of this is there in the next topic. So if you learn ASDR now, it is easier to do the 10 marks problem. So next topic, standardized death rate, which is there, you'll be having it for 10 marks. So if you are able to do age specific death rate, then it is easier to learn the standardized death rate. Thank you.